can't stop pulling my hair out. How much EFB am I getting? Seriously, how much EFB am I getting? Welcome back, guys. My name's Has, and today I'm going to teach you how to check how many EFB rewards you're getting for holding Efbp. So that's how many Ethereum fan burn tokens you're receiving for holding Ethereum fan burn piece, which is the ecosystem's charity token. So bear with me while I grab my device. This is more complicated than normal because they don't have a dashboard as of yet. I'm sure the dashboard is currently in development now and should be up soon. But until then, if you want to check your rewards, this is how you do it. Ready, guys? So guys, now that I got my device, go ahead and grab yours and let's get started. What we're going to do is I'm going to open up a Google web page for website bscscan.com. I'm going to leave the link for you in the comments. So basically what you need to do is go to bscscan.com and you're going to enter the contract address that you can see at the top here. Obviously, I know some people can't take the data from the video, so I'm actually going to leave it in the description for you. Now that's the contract address for where we get our rewards. Now that we're on that page, we scroll down. And what we're going to do, just below this ad, you're going to see where it says code, read and write. Write is currently highlighted. What we're going to do is go ahead and select read. When you select read, you then get several sections. First one is reward, second one is WBNB, third one is token, then you've got dividend per share accuracy factor, and then number 6 is get holder details. As you can see, there's a search bar there and you can enter your address. So go ahead to your wallet, and what we're going to do is head over to eTHFANTOKEN piece, press receive, press copy, and copy that wallet address into there. Once we copy the wallet address into there, you then press query and it loads up with data. As you can see, we've got two sections with blue numbers. The bottom one is total rewards. That's how much EFB you've currently received, and then you've got unpaid. So that's ones that are pending to come to your wallet. So go ahead and press total reward first. And what we're looking at is the 4th number down, which is the GUI. So GUI is the smallest increment of Ethereum. Basically, it's like Satoshi is for Bitcoin, but GUI is how Ethereum is measured, and it's the smallest amount of Ethereum you can hold. Okay, so far I've received 1.6 million EFB approximately. So that's ETHFANTOKEN I've received approximately, which has already arrived in my wallet. Now, if you press back and go to the previous screen, you can see the unpaid. If you go ahead and press on the blue numbers on the unpaid and go back to GUI again, you can see I've got 53,545 remaining to come back to me. So that's 53,545. So you can take that figure, and if you head over to Pancake, you can put it in Pancake as if you're gonna buy that figure, and then what you do is you can see how much BNB is worth, and then you can take your price from there. So you can basically, I'll show you how to do it. Guys, what we're gonna do is show you exactly how to check how much it's worth. So we're gonna take this figure, 53545, and we're going to head over to our Trust wallet. When we get to our Trust wallet, we're going to go to the DApp section and go to Pancake. On iPhone, you'll need to go to your local browser and go to pancakeswap.finance. And then what we're going to do is go to our trade screen. When you get to the trade screen, you've got BNB at the top and you've got Cake at the bottom. Click on Cake and change it to EFB. So once you change it to EFB, you can see it's BNB over EFB. And then in the bottom, what we're going to type is the quantity we had on our GUI screen, which is 53545. 53545. As you can see, that amount of EFB currently equals to 0.000172395 BNB. That's how much it equals currently. So we can do the same with the amount we've already received. So if we go back and click on total rewards, which is the second blue lot of blue numbers, and then we can see the GUI here. So it's 1648793. So if we go back and I put 1648793, as you can see, that's slightly more BNB, so that's 0.00530,857. So that's how much BNB you've equivalent of EFB you've received. Okay, so anyone who wants to then check any further, you'll have to go onto Binance and check how much that is worth. So if you take 0.00530,857 and then head over to your Binance, and what we're going to do is then, once you get into Binance, you enter that under BNB. So you open up Binance, press markets. There you go. You got BNB over GBP. Or I'll show you US dollars to make it easier. To type in Binance BNB at the top, and then you got the top one, which is BNB USDT, and click on buy or sell. It doesn't really matter. And you're going to enter the amount of BNB that was there. So the amount of BNB, once again, was 0.0053. So 0.0053. So it won't even let us enter the full amount because of the amount of decimals that Binance allows. But as you can see, it currently equals to $2. So far from my holding of EFBP, I've received $2 of EFB. And that's how you check it currently. Now, I'm pretty sure the dashboard will be coming soon. And once the dashboard comes, it'll make it a lot easier because you can literally connect your wallet and see how much you've received so far. And from there, you can go ahead and claim. So I know you guys have been waiting for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll get back to you with more and more tutorials. Take it easy, guys.